I think you have the book and pen. You have the what you call worksheet also. Now let me do one by one with solutions. Okay,
Sir, please send to the boys group also, sir.
where is the boys group? I
The
think
soft,
it is the combination of
soft
both
skill.
boys and girls.
No, sir,
Whatever
no, sir. That's different, sir.
you do, one thing.
Okay.
What is the boys? We'll discuss after the completion of this one in group, right?
Okay.
We'll discuss after completion of this session in the group, right? Immediately after completion of this. Fine. Now, a person crosses, first question I'm reading. A person crosses 600-meter long street. This is the street length of 600 meter, right? Long street in 5
Sir,
minutes.
Jeevan sir, sorry sir, Jeevan sir, sorry to disturb you.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Sir, other people, I'm making you the host and I'm going out of the room. So after the class is over, you can just click on the end all and then move off, sir.
Sure, sir. Sure.
And from Monday, the classes will go as usual. Biro as well as placement.
Tomorrow exam, sir.
Wisdom, sir, if you send the question paper, we'll have the exam,
Yeah,
sir.
definitely, sir. I'll send.
Yeah, please send me the exam. And exam will be between 10 and 11:30.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.
And if any student is really facing an issue, ask them to respond today itself, so that we can have a check on it.
Right.
Okay.
I will discuss with them.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Now, okay, friends. Now I'm doing the first question. A person crosses 600-meter long street in 5 minutes. Great. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? What is the concept of speed? Distance by time. Right. So, what is the distance covered by this man? 600 meters. Let me write 600 meters divided by time taken is 5 minutes. So, I just multiply with 60 to make it as seconds. 5 minutes, I just want to convert to second. Why? Because now you just see that meter here, second is here. So now my use for speed is meter per second. What is the question is given? Kilometer per hour. Right there itself into 18 by 5. I think I'm doing everything in one step. Conversions, substitutions, simplifications, everything. Fine. Now calculation, 6 tens are 600, 5 2s are, it's 36 by 5, 5 7s are 35.1, 5 2s are, so 7.2, which is available in the second option, right? Now question number 2. A man on 2 travels first 160 kilometers in 64 kilometer per hour. This distance covered with the speed. Next, and next to 160, right? Next to 160 kilometers covered in 80 kilometer per hour. Great. What is the average speed? The first 320 of the two. 320 means whole journey. Whole 160 plus 160. For the entire journey, what is the average speed? See here, speed is equal to, we know very well, distance by time. Let me talk in different ways. Now, so distance is 320, we know, okay, by time. Let us calculate separately the time, because 160 by 64, 160 by 64, distance by speed gives time, right? Let me calculate 8 20s, 8 8s, 4 2s, 4 5s, 5 by 2, that is 2.5. Now similarly, another one, 160 by 80, from where this distance is covered with this speed. It is nothing but 2. So altogether, how much? 4.5, right? 4.5. Let me write 320 by 45 by 10. So 10 I'll write here, right? So what is the calculation now? 5 9s are, by 6, by 4s. So 640 by 9. So 640 by 9, that gives 9 7s are 63. I think the choice is given C or D, but in C given 71.11 and D is given 71. Now, what kind of choice we used to select? Can you please tell me? What kind of choice can you select? Come on.
71.11.
70. Why? Because here, by looking at this fraction, we definitely come to the conclusion that there is no chance of getting round figure. Definitely decimal part you get it. That's called 71.11. Sometimes try to reduce the work. That's very important. Now instead of doing that, let me recap the story what I discussed in the basics. What is the average speed I said, right? 2xy by x plus y. Can you recollect this one? Is it right? So when the distances are same with the different speeds, I said very clearly rule is given. Now 2 into x is 64, y is 80, x plus y is 144, 60 plus 64 plus 88. Now come on calculation, 8 tens are 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, 2 nines are 2 fives are 5 twos are 10 into 64, 640 by 9, which is nothing but this part. I hope you understood clearly. So I completed second question. So these are all pure fundas, what I covered in the previous class. Now let me go for question number 3. Right. How long will a boy take? How long? That means we need to calculate the time. What is the distance? You need to calculate distance. What is the speed? Yes, you have to calculate. Only we have 3 parameters. One is time, distance, speed. How long a boy take to run around a square field? Be careful about this. It is a square field. To run around. Around means, so this boy is covering all these things. Is it right? Now, to run around a square field. Square field, side of 35 meters. Right? Side of 35 meters. If he runs at the rate of 9 kilometers per hour, 9 kilometers per hour. Now the speed of the man is given. What is our requirement? To calculate time, distance by speed. Speed is given. I always suggest you, if you read the question properly, definitely you get idea that what is the requirement to get the solution. Now here the requirement is distance. Don't think the distance is 35. He is now take around a square field. He is walking around a square field. Now can you please tell me what is the distance covered by the person? 35, 35, 35, 35. 435. 435 means 235 is 70. 70 double 140. So the distance is given 140 meters divided by speed 9. So 9 kilometer per hour. So let me convert into meter per second. So 5 by 80. Calculation. 9 twos are 80. 5 twos are 5 eights are 28 twos are 56 seconds. So this is the answer. 56 seconds, which is available in 4th class. I think you understood clearly. That's such a beautiful question. It is nothing but he is covering the perimeter of the square. I'm not talking technically. I'm not talking technically. As he said the word, a boy take to run around a square field. Around a square field whose side is 35 meters, right? So this is 35, 35, 35, 35. Because square means all sides are same. So let me go for question number 4. Right. A man takes 6 hours 15 minutes, right, walking a distance and riding back to the starting place. Beautiful question. Now this is the place, right? Walking and riding back, right? Time taken by the man is 6 hours 15 minutes. Try to understand. Walking and riding back. Walking means a man is walking like this and riding back. That means he came by bike while going to the what you call office somewhere else by walking and coming back by bike or something else. So it took 6 hours 15 minutes. So I have written first equation, walking plus riding 6 hours 15 minutes. Continuation. He could walk both ways in 7 hours 45 minutes. Both ways while going and while coming. He took 7 hours 45 minutes. Great. So he took 7 hours 45 minutes. Walking and walking. 2 walking. So I'll write immediately 2 walking is equal to 7 hours 45 minutes. 1 walking is equal to, if you divide by 2, right? What is the answer? So this is 3.5 hours This is 22.5 minutes. Is it right? Are you following me, point? Now this is walking. Now continuation. The time taken by him to ride both ways. To ride in the sense while going, while coming. What is riding? Substitute this walk here to get the value of ride. Once if you get one ride, you can find out two rides, right? Now, walking, let me substitute. 6 hours, 3.5 hours if you remove, you'll get 2.5 hours. So 15 minutes, 22.5 minutes, right? Come on, tell me. 15 minutes, subtract 22.5. How much? Come on. What is the value? 15 minutes, 22.5, it is abnormal. Is it right? Otherwise, let me do, right? So if you are difficult to estimate all these things, better convert everything in terms of minutes only. Better, right? 6 hours, nothing but 60. So 180. 180 plus 15 is nothing but 195 minutes. The first equation we got it. I'll write very clearly. W plus R is equal to 195 minutes. Next, this is 7 hours, that is 1 hour 60. 60 70s are 420 plus 45. So 465 minutes, right? 465 minutes by 2, right? 465 minutes by 2. That is 2 2s, 2 what you call 3s, 2.5 minutes, right? Now this is 232.5 minutes. This is of W. See here, W is given. Now, is it possible the equation, you get the answer clearly? 7 hours 45 minutes. Both ways walk. Both ways walk. Come on. I think W value is more. 232.5. So get R value somewhat negative. Is it right? Yes, all of you respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you. I think they should have given in another way the sentence. He could walk both ways in 7 hours 5 minutes more extra. They have to give. Of course, walking obviously it takes more time, right? So I think you understood the concept. Don't worry about the numerical values. Now I just want to skip it off clearly. Now you find R value. Once if you get R value, if the value is larger, definitely you will get positive value. Substitute here, you get smaller value. Okay. Now we discuss this question at the end of this session. Let me see that. I think this sentence is somewhat different. Okay. So let me go for question number 5. Right. Now, question number 5. Coming to this question number 5. A man walking at the rate of, that means speed of the man is given 5 kilometers per hour. Great. Crosses a bridge. This is bridge, right? In 15 minutes. What is the length of the bridge in meters? Right. Length of the bridge comes under distance. Now I need to calculate the distance. Distance is equal to what? Speed into time. Great. Now I need the distance in meter. Whenever I need the distance in meter, definitely my speed is in meter per second. Time is in second. Let me what you call convert in that way. 5 into 5 by 18, right? Into, right? This is 15. Calculation. 3 5s are 3 6. 355. It is nothing but 5 cube. 125 by 6. 6 2s are 20. 5 by 6. Right? 25 by 6 are 20.8 something else. Now you find the man walking at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour crosses the bridge in 15 minutes. Sorry, 15 minutes. I need to multiply with, okay, I need to multiply with seconds, right? So 5 into 5 by 18, okay. Now it is converted to meter per second. This is minutes. So to convert into second into 60, great. Now listen the value. 3 5s are 3 6 are 6 10s. I think you get the answer. It is 125 0. So 125 0. It is meters, right? So that's what I said. If you do little mistake, that leads wrong answer, right? Now let me go for question number 6. Akash leaves Mumbai at 6 a.m. Great. And reaches Bangalore at 10 a.m. Right. Bangalore at 10 a.m. Can you please tell me how many hours he took? 4 hours. 7, 8, 9, 10. Super. Prakash leaves Bangalore. Now this is Akash traveling like this. Now Prakash is here leaving Bangalore at 8 a.m. Wonderful. 8 a.m. and reaches Mumbai 11:30 a.m. Can you please tell me 8 to 11:30? What is the time duration? 9, 10, 11:30. 3.5 hours, right? 3.5 or 7/2 hours. Great. What time do they cross each other? Fine. Excellent. Here, for both of them, what is constant? Distance is constant. They have to cover Mumbai to what you call Bangalore only. If Akash travel, he has to cover the same distance. Prakash travel has to cover the same distance. Fine. Then any idea? Now to calculate what time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Now everything is not given. Distance is not given. Speed is also not given. Speeds let us calculate. Now speed of this Akash. So distance by time taken 4 hours. The speed of Mr. Akash. Here speed of Prakash, right, is equal to distance by, right? So time taken 7/2. I'll write 2 here. Now this is the speed of Prakash, speed of this one. Now let me calculate. Time is equal to distance by speed. Because he started 6 hours, he started at 8 o'clock. That means let him cover some distance for 2 hours. Because this kind of questions we have done when the total information is given. Now, see, his speed is per hour, right? Per hour, he travel 4/d, sorry, d/4. 2 hours, how much? 2d/4. That is d/2. So this is the distance covered by him. Now subtract d minus d/2. d/2 means exactly half. Now here only d/2 left over. Now let us comparison. Here Akash is there. Here Prakash is there. So distance is equal to d/2. Speed. I said clearly when the people are coming in opposite direction, add the speeds. One is d/4 plus 2d/7. Okay. So is equal to d/2 by LCM 28, 4, 7. It is 7d, 8d, that is 15d, right? dd gets cancelled. 1/2 into, right? 28/5, 15. Now 28/30, it is the time taken. This is in hours. So what is the time given exactly? Hours into, I'll take into minutes, convert into 60 to 56 minutes. So I think understood clearly. Now after 2 hours means 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. After 8 a.m. 56 they made. Answer is 8:56 a.m. which is available in third choice. This is very such a beautiful, tougher level, advanced question. Put star mark for this. I think you understood clearly because the concept I discussed in the previous class. This one. Yes.
No, sir.
Okay.
No doubt, sir.
Yes. Let me go for question number 7. Right. A man reaches his office 20 minutes late. For example, he is traveling from home to office. 20 minutes late. If he walks from his house at 30 km/h, right? So, from his house, if you travel 30 km/h, he is late by 20 minutes. Late. That is plus. 30 minutes early if you walk 4 km/h. Sorry, this is 3 km/h. If he walks 4 km/h, he is early by 30 minutes. Early. How far office from his house? Now we need to calculate the distance. Now try to understand. Distance is same. If you travel with this speed, he is late by 20 minutes. If you travel with this speed, he is early by 30 minutes. Now, for example, if you go with this speed, he'll reach on time. T is the original time. Now, if you travel 3 km/h, his time is late. Late means T plus 20 by 60. Why? Because minutes, which is equal to, I'm equating the distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time. This is speed. This is time. Now, if you travel with 4 km per hour, early means less. T minus 30, okay, by 60. This is the conversion factor. Now simplify, you get the time. Come on, right? 3t plus 60 is equal to 4t minus 120. 4t minus 3t, it is t. So this is 180 seconds, right? 180 seconds or hours, sorry, hours. Now, this is the, what is our requirement? Distance. So this is the distance. Substitute here. 3 into t plus 20, 100, 200 by 60. It is 20. It is 10. What is nothing but distance? Kilometers. So answer is 10 kilometers, which is available in 4th choice. It's a very simple question within one set. We are making distance is constant. I'll write distance is constant in both cases. Is that right? Distance is constant. Now, let me go for the next question. Question number 8. Excellent. The ratio of between speeds of trains 7:8. So this is first train and second train. 7:8 ratio of speeds. That means this speed is more, this speed is less. If the second train runs 40 kilometers in 4 hours, I'm talking about second train. So 400 kilometers in 4 hours, right? Now distance is given, time is given. Let me calculate speed of the second train, distance by time. So it's absolutely 400 kilometers per hour. Now let me equate this one, right? This is 8x, 7x, 100 kilometers per hour. Second, what you call train speed is given. What is the speed of the first train? Compare this one. For 8x 100, what is 7x? Now, 8x is equal to 100. What is the value of x? 100 by 8. 4 2s, 4 25s. So 25 by 2, x value. So here 7x, 25 by 2. 7 into 25 is 175 by 2. 2 8s are 16, 15, 2 7s, 0.5. So this is the speed of first train. I hope you understood. It is a simple comparison, right? So 87.5 kilometers per hour, fourth option, right? Now, question number 9. I think you people are following. It is a simple comparison. Now, ratio of the speeds given. One original value is given. How to calculate other original value? Simple calculation. So question number 9. So I think I am moving question by question. I think whether you are following or not, I don't know, because you people are not giving response. Now question number 9. Distance between two cities A and B 330 kilometers. Let me write. Okay. 330 kilometers between two cities. Right. A train starts from A. This is AB. Okay. A train starts from A at 8 a.m. and travel towards B 60 towards B. The speed also given with 60 km per hour. Another train starts from B. Wonderful. At 9 a.m. right? And it travels towards A with a 75 km per hour. I think this kind of question just now we have done. What time do they meet each other? What to do first? This is started with 8 a.m. It is also started with 9 a.m. right? Then tell me, within 1 hour, what is the distance covered by the first train? 60 kilometers. Let me write. It is came here. 60 kilometers. Now the first person and the second train. Can you please tell me what is the distance right now between them? Come on. 2, 70
330
kilometers.
minus 60.
330 minus 60. Now when the two trains are coming in opposite direction, what is the time taken? 270 by, right? 60 plus 75, that is 135. Here no need to convert. Why? Because kilometers are given, kilometer per hour is given. Directly you can get the answer, 2 hours. What is the meaning of 2 hours? So 8 to 9, I think this at this juncture the time is 9 a.m. 9 a.m. 12 hours, 2 hours means 11 a.m. So answer is very beautiful. 11 a.m. Third choice C. Right? For simple questions, see this kind of questions we have done at 4th or 5th, but we have done with a D. Yes, concept is same. Concept is same. There we have done D by 2 distance covered. The remaining D by 2 distance we covered. Concept is same, right? Now let me go for question number 10. Great. A man traveled from village to post office at the rate of 25 kilometers. Village to post office at the rate of 25 kilometers and walked back 4 kilometers per hour. While going 25 kilometers per hour, while coming back 4 kilometers per hour by walk. Walking means obviously speed is less. I think 25 kilometers per hour means might be he went on cycle or bike, something else. If the whole journey took 5 hours 48 minutes, whole journey 5 hours, okay, 48 minutes. Better convert in terms of minutes. 5 hours into 60, that is 300 plus 48, 348 minutes. Great, 348 minutes. Find the distance of post office from village. Now I need to calculate the distance. Simple. Distance is equal to speed into time. This is the simple concept. Wherever you want, whatever speed if you want, distance by time, time if you want, distance by speed. Now speed. What is the speed we need to take? What is the story here? A man is traveling like this and coming back to the original place. Village to post office and coming back. If you just think about here, distance is same with different speeds. So you need to take average speed. What is average speed? 2xy by x plus y. I said. So 2 into x is 25, y is 4, x plus y is 29 into time taken. So this is 348. So minutes given, let me convert into hours. Why? Because here everything is in terms of hours. Let me calculate. 29 ones are 29, 58, 29 twos are 58, 12 fives are, right? 5 fives are. So 22s are 40 kilometers. Extraordinary question. Is it clear, all of you? 40 kilometers per hour. Excellent question, which comes under what you call fourth choice. First choice, 40 kilometers per hour. Any doubt in this one? Here we used depends upon the basic concept, average speed. Fine. Let me go for question number 11. Right. Now, in 1 hour, boat goes. Now this is the question about boats. A boat goes 11 kilometers along the stream. Along the stream means downstream. B plus C. So 11 kilometers in 1 hour. What is the speed? 11 by 1, 11 kilometers per hour. That is given as B plus C. And 5 kilometers against the stream. B minus C. 5 kilometers in 1 hour. That is 5 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of the boat in still water? I need to calculate the boat. What I said yesterday, to get the boat, addition by 2, 16 by 2, answer is 8. So clear? C, that is third option, right? Very simple question. Question number 12, right? A man can row upstream 8 kilometers per hour and downstream, great. Upstream, B minus C is given 8. Downstream, B plus C is given 13. Try to identify the terminology. What I said yesterday, identify the terminology so that you can get the easy answer. Question is, what is the speed of the stream? Stream means C. What to do to get the stream? Difference by 2. That is pi by 2 is equal to 2.5 kilometer per hour. Is it right? Now I think you are clear. So let me continue. Question number 13. Right. Question number 13. A man rows downstream 32 kilometer and upstream 14 kilometer per hour. Downstream, okay, 32 kilometers and upstream, what do you call 14 kilometer. If it takes 6 hours to cover each distance, wonderful. 6 hours here, 6 hours here. Let me write B plus C. Why? Because downstream, distance by time. B minus C, distance by time. Great. This is kilometer per hour. It is also kilometer per hour. Great. What is the speed of the stream? I need to calculate the stream. This is slight extension of the question. What? How to get C? Difference by 2. First we do difference. Now 32 by 6 minus 14 by 6. So 6 is common. 32 minus 14, how much? 18. So the value is 3 kilometer per hour. So distance by 2. So answer is 1.5 kilometer per hour. Simple, boss, right? Don't do directly. First take difference, then divide by 2. If you want to calculate the B, addition by 2. Beautiful, right? So question number 14. Speed of the boat in still water, 10 kilometer per hour. What is given? B, 10 kilometer per hour. If it can travel 26 kilometer downstream 26 kilometer and what you call 14 kilometer upstream in the same time. Time is not given. Upstream, what you call 14 kilometer in the same time. What is the speed of the stream? Right? I need to calculate C. Come on. Here, time is same time. Time is means what? Time is equal to distance by speed. Come on, let us make the first distance. Distance is how much? First is I'll write downstream. 26 by speed. Downstream means B plus C. I'll write B 10 plus C I does not know is equal to again distance. Distance how much? 14. Upstream. B minus C. 10 minus C. Of course, how many of you understood this equation? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Why I
sir.
have written time? I am making time is equal in both cases. It is the case of what you call. It is the case of this case is about downstream. This case is about upstream. So now I am making both are equal. Now simplification, cross multiplication, but it takes time, right? Now how to do that? Let us go through option. Now question number 14. Option is 2. Option is 2.5. Option is 3. Option is 4. Anyone can guess the answer? Come on. 26 must divide by 30 only. So definitely if you keep C as 3, which is available in 3, it is nothing but 2. Suppose if you write 3, 10 minus 3 is 7, 14 by 7 2, 2 both are equal. I think answer is clear. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Please observe my style of doing the problem. That is very important, right? Now let me go for question number 15. Question number 15. A train running at a speed of given 60 km per hour. It crosses certain pole in 9 seconds. Pole 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? Length comes out of distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. Right? Speed is given 60 km per hour. Let me convert 5 by 80 into time taken is 9 seconds. Because here seconds given, here should take as meter per second. Now calculation was 2 times, 30 times,
150.
150 meters. Simple, beautiful question. Question number 16. A train of length 110 meter running at a speed of this one. So let me write this is the train 110 meter running at a speed of 60 km per hour. Right. In what time will it pass a man Who is running? Yesterday we have done. It is crossing not a stationary man. Running 6
Moving.
kilometer per hour in opposite direction. So I used to mention this what you call symbol. Which train is going? Now in what time it is crossing? Time is equal to distance by speed. I hope you understood the whole picture, right? Whole picture. Now, let me do this one. Now, distance what? This train crossing a man. So, distance is train length, 110 meter by speed. When two
66.
objects coming in opposite direction, 66, right? Conversion is required? Yes, because in meters. Into 5 by 18. Great. 6 threes, 6 11s, 11 tens, 5 twos, 2 threes are 6 seconds is the answer. When it is coming opposite to each other, definitely. So both will be little earlier, 6 seconds. Is that right? So let me do question number 17. A train speeds past a pole 15 seconds. This is train, pole, it is crossing 15 seconds. Fine. Length of the train is not given. Speed of the train is also not given. And a platform 100 meters. It is crossing 100 meters platform in 25 seconds. Of course, we have done yesterday an example. What is its length? Now I need to calculate the length of the train. Okay, can you recollect? Come on, anyone? Your people are seriously looking at the screen. Is it right? What Nitya Reddy? Come on, respond. No, you don't have idea. Okay, right. Now, see here, 100 meters, simply a line it is crossing 15 seconds. To cross 100 meters, what is the gap here? 10 seconds. That gives the speed of the train. 100 meters in 10 seconds. Clear? 10 meters per second. What is the length? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to 10. This is time is equal to 15. Answer is 150 meters. It is the length of the train. Simple. Is it right? Yesterday we have done. Right, great. So let me continue with the question number 18. Now, a train moves with a speed of 108 km per hour. Speed of the train is given 108 km per hour. It's a speed in meter per second. Such a simple question among all the questions today we have done. Meter per second. What to do? 108 into 5 by 18. Conversion factor. 9 twos are 9 ones, 9 twos. 2 6 are. Answer is 30 meter per second. Excellent question. I think we are very comfortable if you get such kind of questions in the exam. Isn't it? Question number 19. Now, a goods train runs at a speed of 72 km per hour. Now, this is 72 km per hour. This is the speed of the goods train. And crosses, this length of the train is not given, crosses 250 meter long platform. This is platform, okay, in 26 seconds. What is the length of the goods train? This we have to calculate. Length comes under what? Distance.
Distance.
Now, distance is equal to speed into time or not. Let me talk. Distance. When train is crossing is the distance, train length plus platform length. Nothing but in meters, right? Now, speed is given train length 72 into 5 by 18. Why? Because here in meters. Into time taken 26. Right. 18 4s are 26, 72, 20, 22, 60. How much? 520. Right? Now, L is equal to 520 minus 250. It's absolutely 270 is the answer. 270 meters is the length of the train. I hope you understand. See, concept is same. Everywhere, what I have to substitute, if you think, you get the answer. Here, distance is equal to s into speed. Distance. When a train is crossing a platform, obviously we need to take train length and platform length. Similarly, speed. Yes. Why to convert? Because the distance units are in terms of meter. So we cannot simplify. Better convert there itself. Now time is given in seconds. Great. That's enough. Question number 19. Last question. Right. So that is 20. Two trains, 140 and 160 meters, run at a speed of 60 kilometer per hour and 40 kilometer per hour, respectively. Here we get down whether two trains are traveling in opposite direction or same direction. We does not know. Just I have written like this, but complete information is given: train length, train speed, train length, and train speed. Now, in opposite direction on parallel track. Great. Now I'll write like this: the time which they cross each other. Beautiful. Time is equal to distance by speed. Can you please tell me what is the distance to be considered? Come on.
Both
What
the
is the
trains
distance?
difference. Both the
Difference
trains
or addition?
difference.
I said very clearly, in all cases, distance must be
Added.
added. Great.
300
300 meters.
300
Fine.
meters.
Some speeds must be added. That is 100 kilometer per hour. Let me convert 5 by 18. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes,
It
sir.
is 3. So 54 by 5. So 10 1 by 5. 10 1 by 5 seconds. That is 10.2. Right? I think it's not given. Sorry.
10 4 by 5.
8. 4 by 5. So 10.8, which is given under fourth choice. I think question is very clear, right? So please let me go through another one. I think man is walking and riding, right? I think somewhere else we have done.
What's the question, sir?
Which question that is?
Fourth question, sir.
Amma?
Fourth question, sir.
Question.
Fourth question. Let me see that once again. Or, there is no, because problem is right or wrong. Let me decide. Now fourth question I'm doing again. A man takes 6 hours and 15 minutes in walking a distance and riding back to the home. Right. Walking plus riding 6 hours and 15 minutes. That means altogether into 60, 1 hour, 360. So 360 plus this one, 345 minutes. Sorry, 375 minutes.
75 minutes.
Great. While he could walk both ways in 7 hours. What is that? 7 hours, 45 minutes. Walk plus walk, 7 hours, 45 minutes. Into 60, 420
420.
plus 45, 465.
465.
Great. It is of 2 walks. What is walk here? So 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 5s are, right? Minutes. Are you following my point? One walk is given. Substitute here. Walk plus ride, we have the equation, that is 375. Substitute walk as 232.5. You get right. How much? 375 minus 232.5. Right? Let me subtract those 3 and what you call 2.5. Okay. It is 4. It is 1. So ride is equal to 142.5. Yes, exactly. Now, what is the time taken to ride both ways? That means while going and while coming. So we need to calculate 2 ride. So 142.5 into 2. How much this one? 284 and 0.5 is 1. 285 minutes. So let me convert into hours. What is given? Hours. So by 60. Let me calculate. 285 by 60. Almost how many times? 4 hours. 240. Then 45. What is the answer? 45, 4 hours, 45 minutes, third choice. 4 hours, 45 minutes, third choice. I think we have done the time little wrong here in the calculation. Is it right?
Yes,
Is it right? Now the question is clear. No problem. Rare cases, question may be printed wrong, but always we should check it whether our calculation is right or wrong. Is it right? Now this is the story about the practice of what you call all trains and boats. Is it right? Hope you understood clearly. Hello. Yes. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let me interact with a few of the people. Boys, I need to talk with the boys, right? Before going to end of the session, I'll please talk again about test. Remember this one, tomorrow test, right? The topics are given yesterday. What is that?
Analogy.
Sorry, analogy, and also
Coding and
decoding.
decoding, sir.
That's all. Very simple reasoning topics, right? I'll give 20 bits here. I'll give 20 bits here. So total 40 questions for 40 minutes only. That's enough. Is it? See,
Okay, sir.
question paper is enabled in the system from 10 to 11:30. 40 minutes in the sense your maximum time you need to browse at 10:30. After 10:30, if you can browse, this time will get over. For instance, suppose you start by 10:50, how can you get 40 minutes? You cannot get it. Everybody try to browse by 10 o'clock itself. Due to some technical, boss, I'll tell one thing. Technical problems does not arise. Only thing is your net facility, net availability must be same. If your net is good, then everything will get open. Tomorrow I'll also write the test. Tomorrow I'll also write the test. I'll also be in the line. I'll just see that how many people are browsing. Definitely. I'll also take ID and I'll also write the, if I don't get any trouble, you also should not get any trouble. Seriously, I'm telling you. Right? So keep in your mind all these things, right? Kindly browse immediately at 10 o'clock. Now coming to the, what you call, group. One of the boys said, please kindly respond. One of my friends.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir?
what's your name?
Yes. Sir, Jawad, sir.
Yeah, Jawad. Tell me, another group is there.
Yes, sir. Soft skills. They named soft skills, sir.
Do one
Group
thing.
name.
Just put a one word like, sir, please,
Sir, sir.
what you call, post in this also, so that I can identify, because I have 2-3 soft skill groups are there.
Okay,
I
okay,
cannot
sir.
identify that, but that is either outgoing students soft skill group or your fresh graduate school group. I don't know. So better you keep
Okay.
one what you call message, so that I'll also say.
Okay.
And one more thing
Okay.
from your side also have to do. You have to take some kind of initiation. You have to network from boys side or girls side. Arey boss, what is anything is posted? Kindly find out instead of depends on me, because I don't know anything else. Following Jawad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Right? Kindly, if anything is given, you speak to other people, either boys are there, girls are there. Amma, what happened? Is there any posted? Kindly share with us so that I can post in my group. Group is given to share everything, not nonsense. Is it right? We can
Yes,
share
sir.
all useful things. We can share all what you call related things. Follow my point, boys and girls.
Yes,
I hope
sir.
you're comfortable. You're comfortable. You're enjoying even group also. I'm very happy. Is it right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So very nice. So I think 10 o'clock exam will start. It ends by 10:30, sorry, 11:30. 1.5 hour it is enabled in the group. The people, those who want to write after 11 o'clock, you cannot see that. Immediately you'll get marks. I'm very serious about this. I think this is the test 3.
Yes, sir.
Definitely I'll do the analysis. How many people are increasing? Of course, some kind of slip down is there. The slipping down must be not so down. It must be little. It must be little, right? So I hope everyone understood. So kindly do exam well. Any doubts? Anyone
Okay,
could
sir.
talk with me?
No doubt, sir.
Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
No doubt. So
No,
thank you
sir.
very much. We meet what you call on Monday as usual class. Tomorrow, all the best. Write the exam.
Sir, now soft skill class not there, sir.
Now there is no soft skill class. All of you, please enjoy your what you call delicious breakfast. Right?
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you.